to NCSS Presents Professional Learning for the Virtual Classroom mini lesson. In this session, you will learn how to use external tools. The first thing you need to do is you need to go to a course. Once you choose the course, go to Edit. Edit works on any page, so you can edit in announcements, in discussions, in modules, pages, or assignments. We're going to edit the home page. Click Edit. Once you click Edit, you'll see the Editor's tools. These are the Editor's tools. When you scroll over the down arrow or the down caret, you'll see more external tools. In external tools, you'll notice that we have access to Twitter, SchoolTube, TED-Ed, Vimeo, USA Today, YouTube, The Commons, FunBrain, Spelling City, Safari Montage, Discovery Education, Microsoft Office 365, Google Apps, Google Hangout Meets, Microsoft Teams, and Adobe Spark. To use any of these services, all you have to do is simply click. Now you know how to find and use external tools.